Hey guys, this is our YouTube channel, The Cuz Squad. I'm Ava. This is Dasa. And today we made our own shirts and we're going to be showing you guys our puppies. One dog, one puppy. So, that's right. So, this is our dog Samantha over there.
You said that like 5 times already.
And then we have our little puppy Gigi. She's so
Did
cute.
you guys see
And she's gonna be in most of our YouTube channels. Okay, time to show them our shirts. So this is Dasa's. Turn around. And this is hers. And now to show you mine.
How come yours is A-B all over? Why is it called Because?
So that's our shirt. And today we are just going to be playing around with our pups, our dogs. And technically we're going to be showing you our whole family.
And
No.
and for most of the videos, you might be seeing us wearing these shirts.
Yes, and playing with Gigi. So if you guys could see through these, there's my brother Aiden in there, her cousin. Come on, Dos. So we are mostly going to be filming in this living room,
Get away from me.
and this is my brother, her cousin. Let's go show you my puppy, my brother and her cousin, and my cousin, her brother, and then both of our cousins. So we have
Stop recording me.
Evan, Asher,
Get out of
and
here.
this
Stop
dude just
showing
like.
him your skinny bones.
So this is my cousin Asher.
You are not posting that.
This
on YouTube.
is Evan,
Sexy
and
Evan.
this is
Don't
Aiden.
Evan, you were
And then
not
they're playing
saying that.
this.
You broke up with your old girlfriend.
So yeah, don't mind her. And then this is my big baby light,
Who's
Fluffy.
and Ava, your name?
And
Stupid Asher.
yeah, but
And also,
and then this is a greens and that room. So shh. Our shirts. It's cute. Yeah. So that's all for today, right? Oh, forgot. So our puppies are very, very cute. And we're going to be playing with them today because, like, you know, they're dogs. Who doesn't like playing with dogs? I mean, they're cute, they're sweet. Let me grab something to eat and something to drink because I'm hungry right now. So I need to fill up this belly. Is there anything to eat? Oh, yes, of course. Can't really find anything to eat. Just eat this half hamburger. Let's go. So my cousin's already out there. But I'm like, let me grab something to eat. Okay, so this is our little dog house that we have for our puppies. And as you can see, little Gigi's in there. And then Samantha came up running because we're just giving her too much love, you know. I'm eating something. No. No. Mom, no. My cousin's shy. Oh yeah, this is our yard. We have a cactus right there. And then that's our cousin. Dust, you have to talk to them. She's shy, you guys. She's shy. Today we're trying to get like about 3 or 4 followers. We're trying to.
At least
So.
1,000 followers.
Okay, so our goal is from now on to get like 1,000 followers.
A million.
more than 1,000 followers. So, yeah. I'm hungry right now, guys. I'm eating. Also, go get my lemonade. My puppies were asking me. I'm trying to like, not know. That's what happens when you have dogs.
No. Where's your dog in? Wherever you're in, please. We'll keep going.
Dasa, come here. You legit just left me. Come here. No, Samantha. Down. Come here, Gigi. Come on. Stop, Samantha. Sorry, I'm talking to my dog. Come here. Come on, Mamas. Got the dog. Thanks for helping, Doss. Sorry. Just trying to do something. Stay. Dasa, keep her company. Dasa, get the dog. Stay. Stay with the dog, Doss.
Hi.
Sorry. Or I'm watching something. If you know that movie, comment down below. So, comment what we should do below. So, this is our puppy Gigi.
It's true. You're a nice guy making a comfortable living. Most fantastic woman in the world loves you dearly. Really? Thanks for saying that. I mean it. And that sacrifice she's making for you?
She's so cute, guys.
It's not bad.
Isn't she?
Not bad. That girl wants another baby.
See?
She wants another baby. The girl let that slip away and marry a man she knew to be bad.
So, guys, time for Dasa to talk to you. Told you she's shy. And so that's it for today. Hope you love our YouTube channel and subscribe down below. Bye!